I just got this VIOFO A129 Plus Pro. This is actually a dash cam, and one is on the front, one is on the back. I see there's a lot of good reviews, so in this video I'm going to do unboxing and then I'm going to install it. Let's check the actual recording quality from the front and the back. Let's get started. This is the front camera and this is the back camera. And we got the user menu, and here we got very long cord and some stickers, another cord. Wow, we got another two. So this is the tool for you open cracking those panels. Very useful. So let's get started. This is the front camera, and on the back this is the power supply, and this is says GPS module. That's what I bought, and this one actually can remove. So even though it's stick onto your windshield, you can still take this one out. And it doesn't come with the SD card. You're gonna buy the micro SD. And this is a microphone, and on the other side this is a rear camera connection, and another one is USB. This is a power, and here is the lens itself. So it is adjustable. This is the power, and let's say that the plastic, the quality is pretty good, and the metal part is solid, and the cord is heavy duty. It's a very strong cable. I don't think you will got any problem with these cables. Good quality. So like I said, this is the location should be. So you need to give it lots of rooms like that, right? All right. It is super easy to peel like this. I don't know if you can see it. Now I'm going to hold it onto the windshield. I'm giving it a little bit pressure. Pretty solid, and then you still can remove that, right? So insert or remove the card is super easy, just on the front. And let me give the power. It takes about 10 seconds. And format the card. So the center button, I give it a yes. It's already recording, and this is the seconds was recorded. All right, I'm now going to put the rear camera on. So this is a rear camera. Also, this one is adjustable as well. So the power port is still on the top, so you give it a little bit room, and place that on the middle. All right, and then you just facing it to the front. That's it. Now I'm gonna connect the power, and let's go for a test drive. So this is for the rear camera. Plug that one in, and this is the rear camera. All right, this one, plug that one in. So let's turn the power on now. Now the front and the back all hooked up. The cable is a mess, but I will do that later. And let me see if it shows the front and the rear at all. Yeah, I can see the rear should be over there. And yeah, let's go for a test drive to see the quality. The outside is pretty dark right now. You see the lights are turned on.